Offering valet parking services can be a great way to increase the customer experience and maximize revenue, but can also be an enormous undertaking. Choosing the right technology is the first step towards a successful valet parking operation. Introducing netPark MVS. netPark's MVS iOS mobile app makes managing valet parking a breeze. It's super easy to use and lightning fast. Just scan the parking ticket, record the customer's mobile number, plus any other desired vehicle info or notable damage, and you're done. The customer immediately receives a text with their claim check, which contains a pay-by-phone option and a one-click request car button. With the one-click vehicle request feature, customers no longer have to fumble around with the physical parking ticket trying to text their ticket number. Just a tap of the request car button and that's it. The valet is then immediately alerted via the MVS and acknowledges the request and provides a wait time via text back to the customer. If valet parking charges are not yet paid, the customer can easily pay using their smartphone. When the customer arrives to pick up their car, the valet attendant can quickly determine payment status either in the MVS or by viewing the customer's claim check marked paid and provide the keys to the customer. Once the customer leaves, they will receive a text with a quick parking experience survey, allowing managers to quickly identify any possible customer service issues. Sounds awesome, doesn't it? Just visit our website and complete the form to get started. www.netpark.us. Manage valet parking the right way with netPark.